Hey, Mr. B.
Hey.
Long day in court?
Yes.
Well, I have one last thing for you.
Go on.
What options does an overstayer have in the UK?
Overstayers have to understand that they cannot go onto any of the immigration rules. So I get questions all the time. I'm an overstayer. I claimed asylum. I've got immigration bail. Can I go onto skilled worker visa? No, you can't. Can you do any other application to stay in the UK? Can you apply for a student? No, you can't. So anything under the immigration rules, you're not able to go unless some exception applies. So exceptions would be either you can get status on the basis of marriage. If you get married to a British national or a person present settled in the UK, there is a genuine relationship and there are insurmountable obstacles to that life continuing in your country, then you can get status on that basis. Some people overstay because they can't go back to their countries because they fear going back. If that is the case and you have a genuine reason why you cannot go back and you think that the authorities will not be able to or would be willing to help you, then you can claim asylum. Asylum is, of course, asking for international protection. Now, if you do not apply for asylum, you do not have a relationship ongoing, but there are different circumstances because of which you think you cannot go back to your country and you need to stay here, then you put all those circumstances in an application and then you make the application on the basis of human rights or compassionate and exceptional circumstances. So those will be the applications where you describe your situation. Sometimes I get situations where people say, I took a big loan to come to the UK to pay my fees and I was a student or I came as a skilled worker, I was conned or the student says that I couldn't complete my studies. I cannot go back because I have a lot of money to pay. I have difficulties and because of that I cannot go back. Those are the kind of things that you can sometimes argue successfully. But generally, when you look at the options available, you can look at the private or family life options, which are under the human rights, which is either you've spent 20 years illegally in the country, or you've got more than half your life spent in the UK and you're still under the age of 25, or you've got a child with you who has spent more than 7 years and is still under the age of 18, or that there are significant difficulties in settling back in your country. Could be because of cultural reasons, religious reasons, or practical problems. So huge repercussions of this question. I've tried to do everything that I can in a very quick summary, but every single thing that I've talked about deserves an hour's video on its own.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay.